My first language was Yiddish. Because my mother's parents lived across the street from us in Williamsburg, Brooklyn, and so everybody spoke Yiddish. And at 5, I went to kindergarten, and the teacher was an Irish teacher, and she said to me, she looked in the records, and she said, "You were born in this country. American children speak English." Now it would be politically incorrect to say that. She says, "And I don't want to hear any other language." So I went home and I said to my mother, "I'm an American, and American children speak English, and I'm not speaking Yiddish to you anymore." And she said, "All right." So at that point, we started speaking English. My grandmother had died when I was 2½. My grandfather was still there. He was a house painter, and he learned enough English that we could communicate.